Hey y'all, I'm cool now. Now that I have some caffeine in me, I'm feeling a little better. Welcome back to the channel. It's Sandy J. I know it's been almost a year, it's been a while. I mean, this is the subscribers that do care. Hi again. The ones that are just here to see what's up. Yeah, so we got my cup of coffee right here. I have the McDonald's light roast. I've been obsessed with McDonald's lately. And Starbucks as per usual. So I've been trying a bunch of different coffees. I feel like nothing really hits these days. That's why I love to go out and get it, because I feel like it's just stronger. By the way, those are my parents. That's my dad. So sorry if it's a little loud in the background. But anyways, trying to make coffee at home, dude, because last week I kid you not, I spent probably like $25 on coffee, if not more. So yeah, I'm really excited for this upcoming journey. It feels good to actually have a cup of coffee at home. Feels like the good old days. I used to be obsessed with this company, Coffee Over Cardio. Not sure if you guys have heard of it. It's a kind of smallish company. Like, it's more if you know about it, you know about it. But yeah, I love their coffee. I need to definitely order some of their coffee very soon. But for now, it's McDonald's with a nut pod and some stevia. And it's chef's kiss, let me tell you. So yeah. But yeah, I didn't really get a chance to say much right now or talk to you or even do a proper intro. Side note, I have a lisp. Ever since I got braces, I feel like I trip up on my words because of that lisp. Because it anyways, what I'm trying to say is if I have a lisp and I trip over my words, my bad. I'm really excited for the Deficit Diaries, the upcoming fitness journey. Our fitness journey is ongoing, and even when we're in our lows, that's still part of it. That's still part of your fitness journey, because it's contributing to the growth and, you know, the hurdles along the way, you know. So yeah, I'm really excited to share this with all of you guys. I feel like I'm finally, am I looking at the camera? I'm not really looking at it, huh? Sorry. I'm just excited, y'all. I'm excited to get back on my health game and just feel my best. And honestly, I think that I had to go through this. I healed a lot of different parts of me, mentally, emotionally. And now I'm kind of just ready to hop back into my fitness again and explore what that is for me, and just eat foods I love, try recipes that I think will be fire as hell. So if you're looking, you know, for healthy meal prep inspo, inspiration, motivation, coming from a girl, dude, I'm 28 years old, I'm Latina, like, I feel like I could relate to a lot of people out there, you know, not only folk my age, but maybe older folk, whoever, you know. I just would love to inspire anybody and anyone. All that to say, we're here and let's get it. You know, so if you're wanting to come along on this journey with me, then cool. I would really appreciate that. Peace. Thanks for watching. Okay, y'all, for breakfast, I have right here the Bob's Red Mill Protein Oats. I just got these. Super good. I already tried them. It's really plain though, but it's all good. I'm gonna be doing meal prep overnight oats and these cute little mason jars right here. I'm gonna do half a cup of almond milk. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar-free syrup, sweeten it up a bit. And I'm gonna do a 1/3 cup of the oats. I got my blueberries right here, soaking in warm water and vinegar. I'm gonna do a 1/3 cup of blueberries, and that should be it. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing overnight oats right here. I'm gonna do, I should run that over one more time because it was a little bit confusing, but here are the ingredients: protein oats, almond milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free vanilla, blueberries, and yeah. Okay, so right here we have the finished product. I have about 1/3 cup of those oats. I have a half a cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free vanilla, and 1/3 cup blueberries. So yeah, we got overnight oats right here for breakfast throughout the week. I got my 5 days right here. And you know what, for the weekends, if I have more, which I do, I have more protein oats, I could go ahead and have that, or I can make something else and maybe leave it, you know, maybe I could have breakfast one of the days, who knows, you know. But hey, most of the time I'm gonna be eating from home, so yeah. In case anybody was wondering, I have right here protein pasta with butternut squash and ground Turks, topped with some grated Parmesan. Yeah, this is gonna be the meal prep for the week. Right now I'm currently obsessed with butternut squash pasta sauce. I tried the Aldi one, it was super fire, and I found this really cool looking one from Better Goods at Walmart. I'm super excited to try it. It already smells really good. It smells like a healthy freaking mac and cheese, but yeah, that's what we got going for lunch, meal prep. Okay, y'all, so this is gonna be my dinner. I'm gonna be having a Dave's Killer Bagel. It has literally 13 grams of protein. I'll be eating this with probably like 2 eggs, 2 pieces of turkey ham, fat-free cheese, cheddar cheese, ketchup, and sugar-free jelly. And no added, by the way, that's gonna be no added sugar ketchup. I'll probably show you guys when I'm done making it, since I'm gonna be home by that time. I'll show you what I'm eating and how it looks. So yeah, I'm really excited about the upcoming week and the foods and everything. Nice, simple, healthy, and yeah, so. And by the way, I haven't really got too much into detail, but this is gonna be the Deficit Diaries Part 1. Deficit in the sense where I have not been tracking my macros by any means. Damn it, my battery died. Hopefully it has a little bit of charge left, but yeah, I haven't been tracking my macros. I'm gonna be starting off at 2,000 calories, and so yeah, we're gonna start off like this, guys. I'm pretty excited to see where this takes me, and yeah. Not least, we have here apple cider vinegar shots. I do about like half the bottle, like apple cider vinegar, like right here, and then the rest water. But yeah, I took these bad boys every morning, and helps stabilize my blood sugar levels, although I haven't been eating the best of foods with this. Shoot, I'm sure it really does help regulate my blood sugar, even though I wasn't eating the best. But now that I'm gonna be tracking my Mag Daddies and literally wrapping everything up. Sorry guys, that was my phone. Oops, sorry. Yeah, these are gonna be a big I'm all like, what the hell? Like, what else can you see? These are gonna be a big factor in helping me lose body fat, you know, and just feeling overall super good. Hey y'all, I forgot to film, but I bought this protein shake from the gym. Right now, the raw, I think it's Chris Bumps. Oh my god, my freaking list. Chris Bumset's brand. It was super bomb, y'all. It was like a 9 out of 10. Girl, every time I talk. Every time. Chigatita. Yeah, but it was super good. And this is, yeah. This is gonna contribute to my daily protein intake, y'all. It was super good. I highly recommend. It was just really expensive, but hey, one time for the one time is not gonna hurt nobody. But this is the pasta that I meal prepped. I already had it Monday. Today's Tuesday. I had to spread out what I eat in a day because it just wasn't giving. Last night's snack was not giving, and yeah. Yeah, this pasta is so bomb. I'm super excited. This is a butternut squash sauce. Why is it not? It doesn't look clear, huh? But yeah, I'm really excited to eat this right now because I didn't get a lunch at work, and this is gonna be amazing. So I'm super hyped about that. Ew, sorry y'all, I'm looking like hell right now. I just got out of work and it was a long day, let me tell you. But I had to pop on here because this pasta, chef's kiss. This pasta is so damn good. If you've never tried butternut squash sauce and pasta, what is you doing? Like, you need to try it because it's so damn good. I told you guys I did a protein pasta with some 90-10 ground turkey, Parmesan, and the butternut squash sauce, and it was super good. It's slapping, it's hidden, it's high in protein, good amount of protein, carbs, and fats, and we Gucci up in here, y'all. I just wanted to update you on the dealio because I can. So yeah. Y'all, I don't know if I caught it in the beginning, but I said last meal of the day, y'all. I'm exhausted, I am pooped, I'm so tired. So excuse me if I have low energy talking, but right here we have Waco's 000 Greek yogurt, vanilla. 170 grams, 17 grams of protein. We got a cup of berry medley, and we have a banana. And a packet of stevia because yo girl loves sweetness, so don't judge me. Super bomb. This is gonna be my nightcap, but yeah. Yeah, I mean, this, you know, what I eat in a day probably isn't the fanciest, but hey, you know what? It's only gonna get better from here, y'all. The more I explore, the more I learn how to make cool, bomb, healthy recipes. But yeah, that are also gut friendly too. It's hard out here, y'all, but we're little by little, you know? That's gonna be the thing. Little by little, that's the theme. We're getting better little by little, so yeah. I hope you enjoy this, what I eat in a day. Realistic, sustainable for me at least, and yeah.